the rest of the Caribbean Netherlands can benefit from what we're doing. And our brothers and sisters in the region will also, and we've started to get inquiries from Curaçao, Aruba, elsewhere. So phase 2 would be where we'd open it up even more. Even now it's open, but in a more focused way with schools and families in the Caribbean Netherlands. There are bigger ideas also, which is phase 3, phase 4, phase 5, where we open it up to the Caribbean as a whole and also connect it to centers of excellence in Europe and the US and make Bonaire, the Bonaire Institute of Giftedness, sort of the hub between these big centers and really take this into a big idea.
What can this mean for the community?
I think we have to start, first of all, with the children. I think the young people who have been ignored, have been forgotten, I think this is will be oxygen for them. They will finally breathe. They will finally say that somebody understands me. So for the youth, it will become a source of inspiration. We'll have innovation and things happening. For the community as a whole, we don't lose our children. We don't lose them to trouble. They start out with small trouble, but if you keep ignoring them, they'll start doing bigger troubles. So we also have an impact on them. And most importantly, we get seen as a center for innovation in this field, not only in the region, but in fact elsewhere in the world. And I can imagine a scenario where Bonaire's image actually gets affected because we are seen as a knowledge center, as a place where innovation and knowledge can be created and brought to the rest of the world. So for the community, I think it's a source of great pride. I think that we've had great support from every person we've spoke to on Bonaire. So from AOZ, from Annie, the leerkrachten, from families, from teachers, from principals. So the first thing I want to just say is, thanks to everybody for taking this and owning it and feeling that this is Bonaire's initiative. And the second is, I think that we will take this one step by next step, but I think we can be a partnership together, really bringing something of value to our community.